Hello and welcome back to the channel. Yeah, feral field notes, and I'm I'm feral today because I've actually been using the Boxio toilet. Dun dun dun. Yeah, I've used it. Well, I've used it for a week. I'm waiting for to do a number 2 eventually, like hopefully today, to give it a good try, because nothing worse than coming away and not having access to a toilet. So obviously your poopy goes in there, and this is where your wee wee goes. Put your hemp litter in the bottom, and then when you do have a number 2, you just sprinkle some hemp litter on top, and that helps to keep the smell down, and obviously helps dry it up. And then you just close the lid on it. Once either it's full or you are leaving camp, then you can literally just tie the bag up and dispose of it in the general waste. But that's it, it's done. The wee pot that you've got, when that's full or you're leaving camp, you just take it out and you can dispose of it down in a normal toilet. Just like, you're going for a wee anyway, and then give it a rinse, and that's it, you're done. It's pretty useful, but we'll find out exactly how useful it is when I've used it for both reasons. There is a time lapse on me putting it together. The instructions, well, they're just picture instructions, so there's a couple of things I was scratching my head about, but I think I've put it together properly. I mean, it's just a plastic box really, with some more plastic tubs that go inside it, and a plastic lid that just fixed together, nice and compact, but very useful, accessible. The bottom bit, that's a separate piece, so it's only normally that high, which is just under 30 centimeters, I think. This is an extra, maybe 10 centimeters, which is storage. So you've got I think there's more compostable bags in there, some more litter, the shaker, and obviously it makes it a little bit higher, so you're not squatting right on the floor. I wouldn't recommend scrolling on your phone whilst you're on it, because it's not exactly that kind of comfortable, but definitely for number 1s and number 2s, it's so far so good. But I'll update you once I've had a number 2 on it. Amazing. I love it. So far I love it anyway, but we'll see. So I will update you shortly once I've done the number 2s. Speak to you soon. Well, I may as well show you me sitting down on it. Open it up. This is ridiculous. Oh, there we go. Okay. So, I think you sit, for number 2, you'll sit a little bit further back. And then for number 1, you'll sit slightly more forward. So obviously you need to aim your wee down the wee tub, and then slide slightly more backwards to make sure your bum's over the bum hole, so where your poopy can go. And look at this view. I mean, it's alright, isn't it? Not bad. Not bad view. A good view. A poo with a view. Oh, maybe we can make a series called a poo with a view series. What do you reckon? I should maybe point it that way, since I say I'm looking out there whilst I'm pooing. And to be fair, the path's behind me through the trees. So I could be pooing, enjoying the view, and people are watching me from behind, which wouldn't be great. So, well, yeah, a lovely view. Poo with a view.